If your mind thinks sleep has to wait until everything is handled, stay here. Some nights, the thing keeping you awake is not the day itself. It's the unfinishedness of it. The email you didn't send. The answer you don't have. The loose end your brain keeps trying to tie in the dark. Tonight, we're going to let one thing remain unfinished and still rest. Welcome to Flavas of Chill Meditation. I'm Lynn, and this is night 5 of 7 nights to Unclench. Tonight's practice is called Leave It Unfinished. If sleep doesn't come right away, let this still count as rest, or play it again. You don't have to complete the night perfectly for it to help you. Take the shape that asks the least of you. On your back, on your side, knees bent, blanket tucked. Let the body choose what feels easiest. Let your hands rest wherever they naturally land. Let the lips part. Let the tongue go quiet. Let the muscles around the eyes stop checking for one more thing. Now, notice the support beneath you. The back of the head, the shoulders, the ribs, the hips, the legs. Let the bed do the carrying tonight. You don't need to hold yourself together all the way to sleep. Take a slow inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth like you're gently cooling a cup of tea. Not to rush it, just to calm it. Again, inhale and exhale longer than the inhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale, letting the body hear the message. Nothing else needs to be solved right now. Now let the breath return to its own rhythm. No steering. No extra effort. Just breathing. Now we'll move attention through the body slowly, letting each area soften without needing to change it. Bring awareness to the top of the head, the forehead, the space between the eyebrows, the eyes, the cheeks, the mouth, the jaw, the throat. Now the right shoulder, the upper arm, the elbow, the forearm, the wrist, the palm, the thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. Now the left shoulder, the upper arm, the elbow, the forearm, the wrist, the palm, the thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. Now the chest, the center of the chest, the upper belly, the navel, the lower belly, the pelvis. Now the right hip, the thigh, the knee, the shin, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the foot, the top of the foot, the toes. Now the left hip, the thigh, the knee, the shin, the ankle, the heel, sole of the foot, the top of the foot, the toes. Now feel the whole body together. One body, one bed, one night, nothing missing. Now imagine the whole body breathing together. As you inhale, feel a quiet widening through the whole body. As you exhale, feel a soft settling through the whole body. Inhale, the body widens. Exhale, the body settles. Let the breath move through you like a tide moving over sand. No rush, no agenda, no need to arrive anywhere. For the rest of this practice, let your message be, leave it unfinished. A lot of us have a rule we never agreed to go out loud. I can rest when everything is done. That would be fine if life ever actually became done. But it doesn't. There is always another text, another thought, another task, another question, another emotional loose end trying to sneak into bed with you. And if you live by the rule that everything must be handled before rest is allowed, rest will always lose. So tonight, we're doing something brave. We are leaving one thing unfinished on purpose. Not because it doesn't matter, because your body matters too. There are thoughts that will try to convince you they are urgent simply because they are loud. There are unfinished things that will act like they deserve immediate midnight attention. They do not. Your life does not get wiser because you stare at the ceiling longer. Your answers do not get smarter because you drag your exhausted mind through one more lap. At a certain point, staying awake becomes rehearsal, not resolution. That's the hard truth. So ask yourself gently, what can remain unfinished tonight? The answer? Probably more than you think. A reply can wait. A decision can wait. A plan can wait. Even a feeling can wait to be fully understood. This is not avoidance. This is sequencing. Tomorrow deserves the rested version of you, not the one trying to wring clarity out of darkness. So if a thought comes in and says, "But what about this?" answer it with one simple line. Tomorrow can hold it. That line matters because a tired mind often acts like it's the only shift available. It isn't. Morning gets a turn too. And if your body is still holding the urge to finish, fix, or figure out, let the exhale answer for you. Not tonight, not this minute, not with this body. Leave it unfinished. And let that be an act of intelligence, not neglect. Rest is not a reward for completion. Rest is one of the things that makes completion possible. Now let the body get simpler. Nothing to finish, nothing to solve, nothing to tie up before sleep is allowed. Let the face go quiet. Let the shoulders sink. Let the breath become ordinary again. If thoughts pass through, let them pass through unfinished. If sleep comes, let it come. If rest comes first, let that count. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel the dark around you. Feel how enough this moment already is. Just this breath, then the next. And if sleep finds you before I can say goodnight, I'll meet you back here tomorrow night.